Okay. Yes, I hope you all are doing good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. To open page number 78. Open page number 78. Languages worldwide. Okay. Languages worldwide. Answer the following questions. That means today we are going to learn about languages. We are going to learn about
Languages.
languages. Yes. So here is a tidbit. There are over 583. There are over 583 different languages and dialects spoken in Indonesia alone, including English and Dutch. So if you talk about Indonesia, so only in Indonesia there are how many different languages and dialects? 583. Okay. So what do you mean by dialects? Anyone? Dialects is also a form of language, but it is peculiar to a specific region or a social group. It is not for wider this thing. It doesn't cover dialects, doesn't cover the wider this range. As in English is the language, international language, which is used by everyone, almost everyone, right? But dialects means a language which is of particular region, a particular form of language which is peculiar to a specific region, okay, or social group. ठीक है? Understood this much? हिंदी में इसको बोलते हैं उपभाषा, right? You call it उपभाषा.
Yes, ma'am.
जैसे कॉमन लैंग्वेज जो एक स्टेट की है उसके अलावा एक छोटे से रीजन के लोगों की एक अलग लैंग्वेज है अपनी. सो दैट इज उपभाषा, राइट? सो इन द टेलीविजन सीरीज स्टार ट्रेक, in the television series, here we are doing tidbits only, right? Okay, in the television series Star Trek, Klingon is the language of the aliens. So what is the language of the aliens? In television series Star Trek, it's Klingon.
Klingon.
So kindly learn it. Learn it. Okay. So yes. Now not all languages are spoken. सारी languages spoken नहीं होती हैं. You don't speak all the languages. All languages are not spoken because there are few, where you don't speak. That is for the people, those who can't speak. So in sign language, if we talk about sign language, so in sign language, hand movements stand for letters. So letters अगर आपको show करने हैं, yes, who is that? If you want to tell something, तो आप hand movement से explain करते हो. For letters, words, sentences, आप hand movement से explain करते हो. This is the sign language. Here, speaking is not allowed. If you're talking about sign language and you can speak, then you should, if you're learning a sign language, तो आपको बोलना नहीं है, सिर्फ सीखना है. But जो बोल नहीं सकते, जो बोल ही नहीं सकते, who is that? Please mute your mic. जो बोल नहीं सकते, those who can't speak. Obviously, if they can't speak, then you cannot consider that language in a spoken one. So that's a sign language. That is with hand movements, right? With hand movements, you express your feelings, whatever you want to say. Who is that? After I'm reminding again and again not to speak, still this child is speaking in between. Children, please behave yourself. You should follow online etiquettes. Whenever class is going on, I don't want to mute you all every now and then. Then if I mute you all, then what if I'll ask any question? then no, you can't answer. It will not be an interactive class. So it's better you mute your mics, and whenever I want to ask any question or I ask any question, unmute and answer. Otherwise, please put your mic on mute. Is that clear? I don't want to, mute you all. Please.
Yes,
Okay.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now let's come to this. Number one, answer the following questions. Number one, this is the most widely spoken language in the world. So widely spoken language in the world. So in this world, most of us speak this language with 1 billion speakers. Wait. How many speakers? 1 billion.
1 billion.
1 billion speakers. So what is this language?
Mandarin, ma'am.
Mandarin.
Mandarin.
It has 40,000 characters and 9 tones. The language has 40,000 characters and 9 tones. And which language is this? We feel as if we say that English is the globally accepted language. Again, Ritvik, is it you, beta?
No, ma'am.
Somebody is there who is prompting again and again. We feel that English is a globally accepted language, so it is the most widely spoken language also. But no, it is not. So the most widely spoken language in the world is Mandarin. Okay, and Mandarin is what language? What language? Official form of Chinese language. It is the official form of Chinese language, right? So your answer is Mandarin. Please everyone write. Mandarin. Mandarin. Number 2. What is the scientific study of language called? So if you study a language scientifically, so there is a name given to it. What is that? That is linguistics. Linguistics. That is linguistics. Okay. Number 3. Name any 2 languages that were spoken in ancient times but are no longer commonly spoken. So you have to name any 2 languages that were spoken in ancient times. In early times, earlier those languages were spoken very often, but now they are not commonly spoken. And what is
Latin and Sanskrit.
Latin and Sanskrit. Sanskrit you read, but you don't, use it for general conversation, right? Number 4, name 2 countries that do not have any official language. See, every country has an official language, but there are 2 countries that do not have any official language. And what are those 2 countries?
Australia and USA.
Australia and
USA.
USA, because they all follow English only. So their official language, they don't have any different official language, right? So Australia and USA. Number 5, name a language other than English. Name a language other than English that does not attach gender to its objects. ऐसी लैंग्वेज जो इंग्लिश के अलावा जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स के साथ जेंडर अटैच नहीं करती है.
मैम चाइनीज. मैम पर्शियन.
Persian. Persian.
Persian.
Persian. Okay? The
Persian.
Persian language does not attach gender to its objects, just like English. Okay? Fine? Which language does not use any punctuation?
Ma'am,
Their
Chinese.
language does not use any punctuation. उस लैंग्वेज में कोई कॉमा नहीं होता, कोई फुल स्टॉप नहीं होता, कोई क्वेश्चन मार्क नहीं होता.
Ma'am, Chinese.
Chinese.
Ma'am, Chinese.
There is no punctuation in which language? Chinese. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what are the 6 official languages of the UN? What is UN?
United Nations.
Ma'am, United
Nations. So, what are the 6 official? There are 6 official languages of the United Nations, and the first language, which is
English.
English.
very good.
English.
English,
Ma'am, English, French, and Spanish.
French,
Spanish. And Spanish.
Spanish, very good.
Russian, Chinese.
Spanish,
Ma'am, Chinese.
Chinese,
Russian, Chinese also.
Ma'am, Russian.
Ma'am, Arabic. Ma'am, and Arabic.
Arabic. So, what are the 6 official languages of the United Nations? It's English, French, Spanish, Chinese, Russian, and Arabic. Okay? I hope this is clear. It is very important. Kindly remember this. You know, the 6 official languages of the United Nations. Please don't interrupt. The 6 official languages of the United Nations. Priyanshu Mehra, mute yourself, beta. So 6 official languages of the United Nations are English, French, Spanish, Chinese, Russian, and Arabic. Okay? This much is clear? Now, the last,
Yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
the last question of this page is very interesting. In which country should the noun gift be used with caution?
Ma'am, Germany. Ma'am, Germany.
Gift
It means
word
poison.
should be used with caution in which country? In
Germany.
Germany.
Ma'am, Germany.
Why? Why?
Ma'am, because it means poison.
Yes, because gift means poison in German. Poison को हम क्या बोलते हैं German language में? Gift. So that's why in Germany, gift word is to be used with caution. Caution means बहुत सोच समझ के उसको बोलना है इस word को. Precaution के साथ. ऐसे नहीं कि casually बोल दिया. So using gift word in Germany is very, wrong. You should not speak because आप poison के बारे में बात करते हैं क्या casually? No. So gift means poison in German language, right? It means poison in German. Fine? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's do a quick recap. The most widely spoken language in the world with 1 billion speakers, and it has 40,000 characters and 9 tones. And the language is
Mandarin.
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 What is the scientific study of language called? So the scientific study of language is called linguistics.
Linguistics.
Pronounce it linguistics.
Linguistics.
Very good, very good. Number 3, name any 2 languages that were spoken in ancient times but are no longer commonly spoken. That means they are spoken, but commonly नहीं use होती. Day to day life में these languages are not used. So Latin and Sanskrit.
Sanskrit.
Yes. So
Latin and
name
Sanskrit.
countries. Name 2 countries that do not have any official language. 2 countries.
Australia and USA.
Yes, Australia and USA. Now, number 5, name a language other than English that does not attach gender to its objects.
Persian.
Persian. Number 6, which language does not use any punctuation? Punctuation means full stop, comma, question mark, exclamation mark.
Chinese.
Nothing is used. Which language? Chinese. What are the 6 official languages of the UN? UN means United Nations.
English,
So the
French,
official-
Spanish, Arabic, Chinese, and Russian.
English, French, Spanish, Chinese, Russian, and Arabic.
Very good. Number 8, very interesting. Which country? Enough. Stop. Yes. Stop. In which country should the noun gift be used with caution? And the answer is Germany, because it means boys in German. Right? And tidbits, there are 583 different languages and dialects spoken in Indonesia alone, including English and Dutch. Okay, 583 एक सिर्फ इंडोनेशिया में अकेले लैंग्वेजेस एंड डायलेक्ट्स बोले जाते हैं. ओके, इंग्लिश और डच उसमें इंक्लूडेड है. एंड व्हाट डू मीन बाय डायलेक्ट्स? आई टोल्ड यू, उपभाषा, एक छोटे रीजनल लैंग्वेज, एक छोटे एरिया के, एक छोटे एक छोटी सी कैटेगरी ऑफ पीपल दे यूज दैट. सुनो, ऐसे कई डायलेक्ट्स होते हैं. एंड इन द टेलीविजन सीरीज स्टार ट्रेक, Klingon is the language of the aliens. So aliens use Klingon language in the series Star Trek. And not all the languages are spoken. In sign language, hand movements stand for letters, words, and sentences. Because sign language में आप बोलते नहीं हो, right? Clear this much?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope it's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Kindly do your work. And that's all for today's class.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. If you have any
Thank you,
confusion,
ma'am.
you can ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day.